So the reason I've picked this track to show you how it was made and stuff was because it was actually fairly, there's not a lot to it, it's fairly simple. It actually come about, I just wanted to make a tune for my sets, like an edit sort of thing. I actually had a gig in America, and it was I think it was like a 3-hour closing set. So I wanted something, you know, a few special edits to play during that closing set. And I've always, you know, this is a huge record, and I've always wanted to, you know, I've always wanted to play it and stuff. It's just been missing that, you know, that oomph, like the more ass sort of thing. That's where the name come from, obviously. So I thought, you know, let me just have a stab at trying to, you know, give it a little bit more. When I was probably like 15, I used to DJ like weddings, all my friends' parties. I was like the only one with like a little sound system and decks when we were younger, like 15, 16, 17. So I was like booked every weekend just to do things like that. So I'd always be playing this tune. And then my first or second season in Ibiza, I actually see Mark Carolla play the original at, I think it was Cova Santa for the Music On After Party. And I was like, wow. And it always stuck in my head. But like I said, it was just missing that little, when you mix the original out of a Carolla tune, there's obviously going to be a bit of a dip because he's got so much punch to all his stuff. So me playing the original, I'm not Carolla, so there would be an even bigger dip. You know, the audience, everyone dancing would be like kind of, it's a bit of a risk. So I wanted to bring the track up so it did blend in with everything else, and also just add a few elements to it that, you know, helps you dance even more, especially people who wouldn't maybe dance the original or think they wouldn't dance the original. And it, like I said, it was just meant for my sets. So you'll see how I haven't really gone too in depth into any of the sounds. I think I've EQ'd everything, but I haven't done nothing crazy to any of the drums or anything. No mad processing. It's all fairly simple. So yeah, that's why I want to show you this tune.